there, it's Ashley from WTI. If you're looking for a great body wash, then I highly recommend this company, Dead Sea Collection. This is the Almond Vanilla. It's balancing and soothing, and it's a mineral body wash. It has natural Dead Sea minerals and almond vanilla extract. I love this body wash. It smells so good. You definitely get the hint of vanilla and the hint of almond, but it's not overwhelming. I love the fact that this soaks up really well. You get a lot of suds. It's very soothing to my skin. It doesn't dry it out. And I haven't had any problems with any type of irritation also. It's a very gentle body wash, and it does have the Dead Sea minerals in there, and it removes dirt, but it gives you a nice clean scent. So you can also use this in the bath, and go ahead and put it under running water, and you'll get nice bubbles in your bath as well. So if you're looking for a new body wash that you're going to love, then I would definitely recommend this one, but that's just my point of view.